Going to be a quick one for you guys today because this is just a clean, simple F150 Covert edition here at Wild Willie's at Akins Ford and Winder. Hope everyone's doing great today. Velocity blue in color. Really do love this color. We're leveled on 33.5 via Ready Lift level kit, 2 1/4 inches, hockey puck style aluminum spacer up top there. Alignment done. This is a 285/60/20, a 33.5 inch tall tire. We typically run that 295/60/20, which is a 34 essentially. But this combo here, just another variation for you guys. Want to show you today. We are 0 on our offset, mild to wild. We're on the mild side. This is the Fuel Rogue wheel in the platinum finish. You know, we like to offer different wheel finishes and colors on our Covert series vehicles just because they work. It looks good. And on the Velocity blue, really like the combo together. We did not do any emblems or paint, so we left that magnetic gray grill there to kind of tie in that wheel color for us. Phenomenal. Hypertech speedometer calibrator. We got wheel well liners in the rear like we always run. Akins spray in liner. WeatherTech's on the inside. That tailgate assist. Drops down nice and smooth. A little more window tint. And WeatherTech's. Clean and simple. Under a 2-minute video for you today. Just want to show you a Velocity blue Covert variation. Hope you liked it. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.